India, the world's second largest producer and consumer of tobacco. During the pandemic, we are told more people from our cities and villages are lighting up cigarettes and BDs or chewing tobacco. On World No Tobacco Day, we take a look at how tobacco has burnt a hole in people's lives and their pockets. Anil Kumar was detected with oral cancer in 2014. Doctors told him his love for tobacco got him into trouble.
रेडियोथेरेपी में मेरा पूरा फेस काला हो गया और शरीर ऐसा हो गया सेंसलेस। मन ये करता था कि सुसाइड कर ले।
Hariom, another cancer survivor, recalls with horror how he was diagnosed with cancer thrice and his cancer relapsed twice. Tobacco, he says, caused him irreparable damage.
क्योंकि मेरे जैसे लोग आम चलते हुए नहीं दिखते, घरों में रहते हैं। किसी का यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक पूरा है ही नहीं बाहर का, अंदर का दांत या जबड़ा ही दिख रहा सीधा गया, जैसे मेरा यहाँ का दिख रहा है, उनका पूरा का पूरा दिख रहा है। किसी के गले में यहाँ कुछ सस्टेंस लगा रखे हैं। बहुत बुरी हालत देखता हूँ मैं लोगों की।
In India, at least 146 people die every hour because of tobacco consumption, which means 3,500 people die every day, and tobacco kills close to 1.3 million people every year. But what is truly shocking is tobacco consumption amongst children in the country.
And as for the statistics, we have more than 5 million children who are addicted to tobacco less than 15 years of age. So it's a huge number. We have kids as young as 5 years, 6 years, 7 years hooked to all the addictions, not only tobacco. The other day I had a patient who was 10 years of age and he already had submucosal fibrosis. So he already was in the stage, that's the first stage of cancer.
Tobacco consumption is a major risk factor for non-communicable diseases like cardiovascular disease, cancer, chronic lung disease, and diabetes. Research says that tobacco puts people with these conditions at higher risk for severe illness when they are affected by COVID-19. Tobacco also contributes to infectious diseases like tuberculosis and lower respiratory infections. The smoke from tobacco contains toxic chemicals that cause damage to the linings of the airways and the lungs. But many tobacco addicts say that more than the physiological toll, it is a social and psychological trauma that is overbearing.
मेरे को अकेला रहना अच्छा लग रहा था क्योंकि मेरे को अपना सब्सटेंस का ज़्यादा साथ चाहिए था। मुझे पता था कि ये सब गलत हो रहा है, पर निकोटीन के अंदर में इतना घुस चुका था कि मैं उससे निकल नहीं पा रहा था। फिर ऐसी हालत आ गई कि जब तक ना खाओ तब तक काम नहीं चलता है। उसके बिना खाना अच्छा नहीं लगता था, लोग अच्छे नहीं लगते थे, लोग बातें करते थे, एडिक्शन होती थी, यार ये लोग जाए नए निकोटीन अपना सब्सटेंस अपना जो भी निकोटीन है वो खाऊं।
According to the World Health Organization, tobacco kills up to half of its users. Tobacco consumption is one of the biggest public health threats in the world. As per research, tobacco smoke contains over 7,000 chemicals, out of which more than 69 are capable of causing cancer, with nicotine being the main addictive chemical compound in tobacco.
जब निकोटीन में ले रहा था तो उस समय मेरे को उतना मतलब नहीं कि मेरे को पता नहीं है कि इसकी डिपेंडेंसी हो जाएगी मेरे को, कि रात को जब मैं खाना खा लेता था तो मेरे को चाहिए, नहीं तो खाना लगता था कि डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो रहा, सुबह वॉशरूम जाता था तो मेरे को चाहिए।
A typical smoker's day starts with a cigarette. He is having a cigarette when he is happy. He is having it when he is sad. He is having it when he has a lot of work to do. He is having a cigarette when he has nothing to do. खाली बैठा हूँ, what do I do? Let me light up a cigarette. He needs a cigarette for clearing up his balls. He needs a cigarette after food. He needs a cigarette after tea. After every half an hour, 40 minutes, 1 hour, he requires a cigarette. So this associative effect, that is a major challenge that we need to handle.
But there are also many who have overcome the addictive effects of tobacco and have turned over a new leaf. Like for instance, Dushyant Chopra. He started smoking at the age of 15. He was a chain smoker, an alcoholic and a tobacco addict. Today, he's working with the Tapasya Foundation in Delhi NCR and is helping many tobacco addicts quit.
मैंने सिगरेट 10 तक सिगरेट पी, उसके बाद अल्कोहल आई लाइफ में, तो किसी ने बियर पिला दी पहली बार, तो मैंने आगे बियर पीनी कंटिन्यू कर दी। आगे चल के कुछ फर्दर जो ड्रग्स थे वो मेरी लाइफ में इंट्रोड्यूस हो गए। धीरे धीरे मैं हर तरफ से अपने आप को मैंने कमज़ोर करना स्टार्ट कर दिया।
The World Health Organization reports that without cessation support, only 4% of attempts to quit tobacco will succeed. Awareness campaigns and cessation support seems to be the key in getting people to commit to quit.
COVID till now has killed around 3 lakh people. Tobacco kills 12 lakh people every year in this country. So in a good way, COVID has given a very strong reason for people to quit. And those who are deciding the policy, if they want to bring down the death rate, then it would really help to push tobacco cessation services and people who care for their near and dear ones. It's a very good time to motivate them to quit.
We have to take care through international bodies like WHO awareness programs, UNICEF awareness programs, and UICC and other bodies, cardiac bodies, and healthcare teams, and hospital, patient education, psychologists, counselors, de-addiction programs, drug dependency programs, where we have to educate people to shun this bad habit of tobacco usage, and especially when we combine the tobacco along with the alcohol. It is a very deadly combination, so 1 + 1 become 11.
30-year-old Ashish was diagnosed with cancer a month and a half ago. He's still under treatment for cancer, but he says the addictive effect of tobacco is so much that he still can't stop himself from smoking. Ashish's story serves as a reminder for the growing need for de-addiction and tobacco cessation programs. And these stories are a wake-up call for the government to adopt a proactive approach towards getting people to quit.
मुझे खाना खाने से पहले दवाई लेनी पड़ती थी, पेन किलर, जब जाके मैं निकल सटक पाता था। इतनी प्रॉब्लम में था मैं छोड़ने का पूरा प्रयास कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन कुछ हद तक तो मैं कम कर पाया हूँ, लेकिन बिल्कुल इसको मतलब चारों खाने चित हो चुका हूँ। रॉक बॉटम मेरा पूरी तरह से हिट हो गया, लेकिन फिर भी मैं मतलब अभी भी प्रयास कर रहा हूँ कि किसी तरह से मैं निकोटीन से बाहर आऊँ। मैं प्रयास कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन बस वही है, बस क्रेविंग कॉल आती है, 2-4 घंटे मैं दूर रह पाता हूँ, लेकिन उसके बाद फिर दोबारा एक थॉट आता है कि ले लो बस। मतलब बीमारी को साइड में रख के निकोटीन मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज़ हो गई है इस समय। मतलब इस तरह का मतलब निकोटीन ने ऐसे मेरे को जकड़ के रखा हुआ है, अभी भी जकड़ के रखा हुआ है। सोचता हूँ कई बार इसको अवॉइड करने के लिए, कोशिश भी कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन कामयाबी नहीं मिल रही।
Over the years, the government has done various things. One is, of course, taxation, as we know very well. In terms of, every budget, there's an extra tax put on cigarettes. But there's a whole bunch of things that the government can do, which it's not doing very well, which is in the aftermath. So what if once a person has started smoking, how do you get that person to stop? And how do you help him quit smoking? This is where I think the government in India is not doing very well. So one of the things it can do, for example, is use some of that lot of that tax money that it collects from cigarettes and use it for rehabilitation. So whether it's de-addiction centers, both with the use of counseling and with the use of nicotine replacement therapy.
The Indian government in 2019 banned electronic cigarettes. The government prohibited the production, manufacturing, import, export, transport, sale, distribution, storage, and advertisement of e-cigarettes. But many say much more needs to be done to get people to commit to quit.
As I teach in a medical school, in our medical curriculums, there is no subject as tobacco cessation. The MCI or the NMC now has come with a new medical curriculum, and we should make them to include this thing in the new medical curriculum so that all the medical graduates are equipped with the knowledge to deal with such problems.
Survivors feel quitting is now not an option. As they say, tobacco companies kill their best customers, and smokers don't grow old, they die young.
मेरी पहले की फ़ोटो और आज की फ़ोटो ज़मीन आसमान का अंतर है। किसी भी हॉस्पिटल की कैंसर डिपार्टमेंट में जाके देखो, पैर रखने की जगह नहीं मिलती। मैं खुद जाता हूँ, सुबह एम्स में जाता हूँ अगर, तो सुबह मेरे को 5:30 बजे घर से निकलना पड़ता है, तब जाके 12 बजे 1 बजे का टाइम की अपॉइंटमेंट मिलती है। तो अभी अगर समझ गए तो समझ लो, ऐसा होने के बाद समझना है तो देख लो।
कई लोगों के मन में ये सोच बनी कि ये एक छुआछूत बीमारी है, जैसे कि कैंसर इसको हो गया है, मुझे ना हो जाए। साथ में खाना बंद कर दिया, साथ में रहना बंद कर दिया, सबने मेरे से दूरी बना ली। मैं हर यूथ से हाथ जोड़ कर रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा, ये आज अच्छा है लेकिन कल अच्छा नहीं है, कृपया इसको छोड़ दें।
Quit smoking today. There would never be a tomorrow. There'll never be a last day to smoke. There'll never be a last cigarette. If you really want to quit, just make it zero right now. Today is the day. Every day is a World No Tobacco Day.
प्रयास तो कर रहा हूँ, ये है कि छोड़ो ना छोड़ो, लेकिन प्रयास मत छोड़ो। प्रयास कर रहा हूँ पूरा।